Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a complete local WhatsApp backup on Android. Because Google Drive copies won't read on iPhone, you need the local file. Once done, open Move to iOS on Android and begin iPhone initial setup until you reach Apps and Data. Make sure both devices share Wi-Fi and remain plugged in. This preserves transfer stability. You're preparing the raw data path, so verify storage access and WhatsApp version compatibility before moving on to extraction. Now you extract the actual WhatsApp files, connect Android to a PC, and copy the WhatsApp/databases and WhatsApp/media folders. This preserves messages and attachments. Next, prepare those files in the structure the iPhone expects, packaged or converted depending on your tool, so the iPhone can import them during move to iOS. Then continue the move to iOS flow on Android so the files migrate with the app data. Make sure file names and permissions are unchanged to avoid import errors. Finally, install WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify the same phone number. When prompted, accept the restore of the transferred data. The app will scan the bundled files and rebuild chats. This can take several minutes if media is large. If things go wrong, make sure the folder names match WhatsApp expectations and retry move to iOS. Otherwise, recopy the files from Android. One key troubleshooting tip: if restores fail consistently, recheck permissions and recreate the local backup on Android before repeating the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.